Goldenbee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Lola Shivshankar, Principal of WebGear in association with Goldenbee Global, Banerghatta branch.
How was your journey from a teacher to a principal?
My journey from a teacher to a principal, I think, was very simple. I worked as a teacher for 25 years, and then when everybody told me that my administrative skills was very good, I did my MBA in Education Management and applied for the post of principal. And Mrs. Archana from SAN Academy gave me the first try to work with her, and it was really wonderful. Got a great experience, and I have been growing from there. So I felt my journey was very smooth because I am able to understand the teachers well because I have been on the other side of the table for 25 years.
Who is your inspiration?
It is my mother. She was a teacher first, and then she opened a nursery school at home, and I have been helping her out in training the children for the entrance exam for the grade 1. We stayed in Bihar, in Sindri, and before my school used to start around 10 o'clock, and so from 9 to 9:30 I used to help my mother train the children. And that time she made a comment saying that you would be a good teacher because I see children learn better from you than my own self. Then I thought, why don't I take a career as teaching? And that is how she has been an inspiration for me to be a teacher.
Would you ever become a teacher again?
A principal is always a teacher. I love to take the extra classes, the proxies, the revision even now. And being the principal and with a science background, we can never forget teaching. We would always love to go back to the class. That is what I would feel a teacher and principal. That's just an administrative work. And academic work, being a teacher always continues. Thank you.
Goldenbee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.